Repairing a road involves several steps, depending on the type and extent of damage. Here's a general guide. Minor repairs, e.g. potholes, cracks. 1. Clean the area, remove any debris, dirt or water from the damaged area. 2. Fill the pothole or crack. Use a suitable material like asphalt emulsion, cold mix asphalt or concrete patching compound. 3. Compact the filling. Use a hand tamper, plate compactor or roller to compact the filling. 4. Seal the edges. Apply a sealant to prevent water from entering the repaired area.